Tired of endless hours filming and editing? Let's unlock the power of AI and generate stunning videos in minutes. First, access Google's AI video generator. The specific platform may vary, so check Google AI's official website for current availability. Look for the prompt input area. This is where the magic begins. Now, craft your perfect prompt. Be specific. Instead of a car, try a vintage red convertible speeding down a sunny coastal highway. Next, customize your video. Experiment with different styles like animated, realistic, or cinematic. Adjust the aspect ratio to fit your platform. Think vertical for TikTok, widescreen for YouTube. Don't forget the audio. Browse the available music library and select a track that complements your video's mood. Adjust the volume to ensure it doesn't overpower your visuals. Once you're happy with your prompt and settings, hit generate. The AI will work its magic, creating your video based on your instructions. Generation time will vary depending on the complexity. Review the generated video. If you're not completely satisfied, tweak your prompt or parameters and generate again. The more you experiment, the better your results. Finally, download your masterpiece. Choose your desired resolution and file format. You're now ready to share your AI-powered video with the world. Unleash your creativity with AI video generation. Subscribe for more AI tips and tricks, and let us know in the comments what kind of videos you'll be creating.